what's up guys? First of all, we want to introduce our name. My name is Muhammad Iskandar bin Azhar. My matic number 054240, and this is my partner.
Hi guys, my name is Muhammad Naim Rozeman. My matrix number is 054241. We are student from your Diploma Syariah in University Sultan Zainal Abidin.
So today what's going on? We will to share with you how to make simple chicken rice. Chicken rice is one of our favorite food in Malaysia. So Naim, let's start right now.
Today I would like to tell you how to make chicken soup. Okay, the first thing is you must have a 5 shallot. The second thing is 4 cloves garlic. The third thing is 1 inch ginger, and then you must put all the ingredient into the blender and blend until smooth, and then divide by the saute in different cup. Okay, continue to make a soup. Okay, first 1 tablespoon parsley, 1 cup celery, chicken stock half cube, chicken half and cut into 2 pieces. Saute the soup, saute ingredients until fragrant. Put all the ingredients and let it simmer until the chicken are fully.
Firstly, melt the butter in a pot and saute the rice, saute ingredient. Put 3 cup chicken soup and rice, and then cook as usual.
Take the chicken out from the soup. Salt 1 teaspoon, oyster sauce 1 tablespoon, light soy sauce 1 tablespoon, dark soy sauce 1 tablespoon, honey 1 tablespoon. Marinate for a while and roast in the oven at 220 Celsius for 20 minutes.
Spicy sambal, 1 clove of garlic, 5 Thai red chilies, 2 red chilies, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 1 teaspoon white sugar, 2 tablespoon chili sauce. Now, put all ingredient and half cup water into the blender and blend until smooth. Heat the blended ingredients and let it simmer, and then put 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 1 teaspoon white sugar, and 2 tablespoon chili sauce. But if you like spicy, you can put more chili sauce because this according your taste. Lastly, to make soy sauce soup, you just mix half cup chicken soup and 1 tablespoon light soy sauce.
Lastly, I would like to thank all of you for watching this video, and I hope that you earn something new from this video and practice it at your home. That's all from us. See you next time. Bye bye.